Henry's second marriage and the royal supremacy, which was its intellectual foundation, were profoundly divisive. Some opposed them viscerally because they hated Anne or loved the old church. Others were more nuanced, and subtlest of all, as befits the man who'd warned Henry about exaggerating the Pope's powers when the king wrote the Assertio, was Henry's old friend and counsellor, Sir Thomas More. But opponents of whatever sort were whipped into line by laws which required them to swear a double oath, to accept the king's second marriage and to reject the papal supremacy. To refuse the oath was treason and death. More refused the oath, and he was imprisoned in steadily worsening conditions in this cell in the Tower for over a year. But when, on the 1st of July 1535, he was removed from here for his trial at Westminster Hall, it looked as though he might escape. More now did what hitherto he'd steadfastly refused to do, and spoke his mind. He could not be guilty, he said, because the English Parliament could not make Henry VIII supreme head of the Church. For the common consent of Christendom, of which England was only a tiny part, gave that title to the Pope and had done for over 1,000 years. Consternation in court. But the Lord Chief Justice recovered the situation with a characteristic piece of English legal positivism. English law was what the English Parliament said it was, he asserted. More was condemned and beheaded on the 6th of July.